Imagine this, our solar system as a giant cosmic family, full of incredible and unique members, each with its own amazing story to tell. At the center of it all is the sun, the true boss of this neighborhood. A giant glowing ball of hot gases powering everything around it. It's so enormous that about 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside it. And without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Now, let's begin our journey. Closest to the sun, we meet Mercury. Small, but mighty. The fastest planet, racing around the sun faster than any other. But life here would be brutal. Scorching hot days and freezing cold nights. Then comes Venus, the super oven of the solar system. The hottest planet of all, wrapped in thick clouds that trap heat like a giant blanket. And here's something strange, it spins backwards, unlike most other planets.
Next, we arrive at Earth, our home. The only known planet that supports life. Covered in deep blue oceans, about 70% of its surface. With just the right mix of air, water, and temperature, Earth is truly special. Moving outward, we reach Mars, the dusty red planet. Home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system. And here's a surprise. Sunsets on Mars appear blue. Beyond Mars lies a giant, Jupiter, the king of planets. The largest planet in our solar system, a massive gas giant with no solid surface. And on it, a storm like no other. The Great Red Spot, raging for hundreds of years. Next, we encounter Saturn, one of the most beautiful sights in space. Its spectacular rings, made of ice and rock. And surprisingly, it's less dense than water, meaning it could float. Continuing onward, we meet Uranus, the sideways roller. A planet that spins on its side, as if rolling through space. An icy giant, calm in color, but incredibly cold. And finally, Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun. Dark, cold, and incredibly windy. With the fastest winds in the solar system, faster than a jet plane. Together, these worlds, along with their moons, asteroids, and comets, form our incredible solar system. A vast cosmic neighborhood, full of mysteries waiting to be explored.